Okay, so today I'm going to give you a quick demo of FileKey and how we are using passkeys to encrypt, decrypt, and share data. So it first starts with generating what we call a file key. So a file key for us is the passkey that's used for encrypting and decrypting files. We're going to go ahead and tap on generate. And when you do, it will ask you for your biometrics. Now, if you go with this prompt, it's going to save the passkey in the iCloud password manager. If you hit cancel, you can then pick something else like a phone, tablet, security key. For the purposes of this demo, we'll just use the iCloud keychain, and we'll go ahead and authenticate there. Great. So now the file key has been created. We just need to tap one more time to authenticate, and we should be in. So here we are. File key has been authenticated. Now we can just easily drag and drop files to encrypt or decrypt them. I'll go ahead and tap this bar below and select the file. So here we go, filekey.png. So you can see how fast the encryption is. It's really, really quick, even for large files. And now once you have the file encrypted, you can do one of two things. You can save the file, or you could share the file. So if I save the file, it's just going to save it to disk. And I'll go ahead and hit save. And now it has this .filekey extension. It is encrypted. Like you basically cannot decrypt this. It's very, very secure. If I drag and drop it back in, it will decrypt it and I can open it again. So pretty easy. Now I could also share the file. So if instead I wanted to share it to someone else, I could tap on this share button. I would just enter the recipient share key, which you can get here at the top right where it says your share key. And you can go ahead and copy this and then send it to your friend and they can use it to send files to you. So that is a quick demo of FileKey. And if we refresh the page, we can see the next time that we go to the page and we hit authenticate, it's really easy. We just validate, authenticate our biometrics, and then we're in. We can go ahead and encrypt and decrypt files all over again, right? So super easy. So this is where we are today with FileKey, where you can encrypt and decrypt single files and you can share them. But there's two things that we're building next. The first one is a digital vault where instead of single files, you can put as many files as you want into the system, right? And it'll keep them secure. And then the second thing is peer-to-peer file transfer. So oftentimes we find that we need to send files of varying sizes, and sometimes those files are sensitive, like you don't want cloud systems, looking at the files, and so right now it's kind of a pain to send files securely and like quickly and easily. So we're building that into it where you can have a digital vault, it can have all of your files there securely, and then straight from there you could share it with folks that need that data. Again, securely encrypted, only they could see the files. So a lot of stuff, fun stuff that we're building on top of this, but this is kind of a sneak peek into what we're doing.